Questions and answers. Birds. Which bird has a beak as big as its body? The toucan has a huge beak which is longer than its body. However, it is not very heavy. Where do albatross exist? Albatross is a large seabird found widely in the Southern Ocean and the North Pacific. They are not found in the North Atlantic, but fossil remains show they once lived there too. Which is the largest seabird? Albatross is the largest seabird in the world. It is more than 10 feet from wingtip to wingtip. Which is the largest bird? Ostrich is the largest bird on earth. It can reach 8 feet tall. Though they can't fly, they can run fast and their long legs can give a heavy kick. What was the biggest bird ever lived on earth? There was a bird called moa which lived on earth until 1,000 years ago. This bird was as tall as an elephant. Can birds move their eyes? Birds cannot move their eyes as we do, but most of them can turn their head around much further and much more quickly than we can. Some birds can even turn their head completely around so they can look behind them. What is the state symbol of New Zealand? Kiwi is the state symbol of New Zealand. It is an extremely tiny bird which cannot fly. Why do woodpeckers peck on trees? The woodpeckers have a unique ability to find the presence of insects under the bark of a tree, even when they are not visible from outside. They use their sharp, strong, chisel-shaped beak to drill a hole straight down to eat the insects. They also use the same method to make their nests. What is special about the nest of a bald eagle? A bald eagle uses the same nest year after year, adding more twigs and branches each time. Such a one discovered had been used for 34 years and weighed over 2 tons. Do vultures hunt? Vultures don't hunt. They are scavengers and so they feed on dead animals. Do woodpeckers get hurt from all their hammering? No, they don't. Their heads are filled with pockets of air that cushion their head bones as they drill for food. Why do birds fly in a V formation? Birds fly in a V formation to conserve energy. The V-shaped air streams created by the birds in front reduce the wind resistance for the other birds. When the lead bird gets tired, another bird takes over.